And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Here's a look at our Greenfield live camera this morning. Not a lot of cloud cover and not as much rain to speak of as yesterday, although we don't get that much rain very often. Westfield live camera, drier streets today, but there is still a potential for some flooding as the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning through tonight and tomorrow in the morning. And that's mainly going to be affecting areas along the Connecticut River, and we can see mainly northern parts like Franklin County and northern parts of Hampshire County. So if you are driving today, especially on 91, I do suggest that you drive cautiously, expect delayed travel times, and if you see flooded roadways, turn around, don't drown. Our 22 News Storm Team forecast focus for today: isolated PM showers and some possible snow in the mix. Not going to be dumping by any means, but we could see a flurry or two. Tonight's going to be a lot drier, gradual clearing going into the evening and the start of a very sunny, dry, and cooler week. Lower temperatures mainly in the high 30s and low 40s. Our 22 News Storm Team ESP live Doppler radar showing us no rain or snow now, and we're not expecting any for the rest of the day until we get to the beginning of the afternoon. We'll show you why on our clouds radar. Lots of snow in upstate New York. That is starting to make its way east towards New England, but we're not going to be seeing as much of that as they're seeing closer to Albany. More of a dry day with a little bit of cloud cover during the earlier parts of the day. Temperatures now mainly in the low to mid 30s, 34 in Southampton, 36 in Amherst, and 33 in Deerfield. Berkshire County, similar temperatures, just a little cooler, 33 in Dalton and 32 in Adams. Our temperatures throughout the day, not going to get much warmer, definitely not as warm as yesterday, only seeing highs mainly in the low 40s. And we're going to be seeing that a little earlier, closer to the beginning of the afternoon versus when we normally see them closer to dinner time. Taking a look at our 22 News Storm Team Skycast. 7 a.m. this morning, getting a lot of cloud cover in the Berkshires, but everywhere else mainly clear. And going into the beginning of the afternoon, 12 p.m. Tuesday, we see still a pretty clear day, but once that cloud cover starts to roll around, mainly the beginning of the afternoon, just after 12, then we could see an isolated shower, but low chances that that actually gets your day a little wetter. 6 p.m. on Tuesday, it's going to be the start of a clearer week. Going into 12 a.m. on Wednesday, still no rain to speak of. We're not going to be seeing any rain for the rest of the week. 6 a.m. Wednesday, a perfectly clear start to the day and very uneventful, which is good considering what we had yesterday. Lots of that rain and flooding those roadways. 6 p.m. Wednesday, maybe a little bit of cloud cover in the Berkshires, but overall going to be a clear rest of the week. Today, we're seeing a sun cloud mix, an isolated shower, and temperatures in the low to mid 40s. This evening, we'll start to see those temperatures dip down quite a bit. 20 to 24 is our range of lows. It's going to be a gradual clearing and some breezy conditions, just a little bit of wind. Again, not the same wind as we saw yesterday. Taking a look at our 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast, we can see we do have a chance for a PM shower today, but the rest of the week is looking very clear, very sunny. Saturday, maybe a little bit of cloud cover. And the start of winter is just in 2 days, and Christmas is coming up this Monday. We do have a high of 43 today. Again, that isolated shower is set for the beginning of the afternoon with a possible flurry. Going throughout the rest of the week, Wednesday through Friday, very sunny as temperatures go from the low to mid 40s to the high 30s. But then Saturday through Sunday, we start to see a bit of a warm-up and a warm Christmas day, expecting temperatures in the mid to low 40s and lows this week going from the low 20s to the mid-teens. If you want to stay up to date with all of our latest forecasts and the chance for a little bit of snow coming this afternoon, we'll be tracking that on our website, wwlp.com, or you can download the free 22 News mobile app.